Guys, make sure you stay until the end. One common mistake can destroy your engine. We will explain what it is. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series Generation F10 F11 guys. If you have one of those, we will explain how you can easily change your engine air filter. But if you make one common mistake, you may actually damage your engine. We will explain what it is, something that some people will overlook. They will be in a hurry and that can destroy your engine. Now, if you guys need to buy filter parts to use at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way do not waste money and time. And before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And by the way guys, if you check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. What we need to do now, okay, let us show you. We're going to go ahead and open the hood. So once you open the hood, your your engine air filter is here. For any of you looking to replace the cabin air filter, we have the video on the channel as well. Now we need to get a 16mm or 5/8 works as well, and we have to remove that bolt. Okay, that bolt is out. The other one, for some reason, one is 16, one is 17. We're going to remove that one here. Okay, perfect. And we're going to get that support out of the way. Next, we need to go ahead. These metal clips, you need to push them this way, open them, one on this side. After that guys, okay, we're going to go ahead, push a little bit that way, okay, and here, okay, let me see if I think you can get the filter without getting anything else loose guys. Now that thing is stuck here, it's been here, okay, for a while, and the filter comes out. Pretty bad. Okay, now even though you may not have too many stuff, it's pretty plugged up. You can see guys, that can affect the engine performance, fuel economy. Number one mistake people will make, they'll go ahead and install the new one. What you need to do now here guys, we need to get a vacuum, and we need to vacuum inside because you have dead bugs and all kind of stuff. So go ahead and vacuum all that, because if it ends up on the other side, you will start the engine and all that stuff will be stuck in the engine, and that can guys destroy your engine if you have something big. That's a new one. I want to show you the difference guys. That's very affordable filter. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Okay, check out the difference between the two of them guys, quite a bit. So guys, now if you have a hard time getting it in, you might get the clamp loose here and that will give you more room, but otherwise I think it should go in. The metal clips, make sure they don't get stuck in the filter because they can poke a hole in it. You need to make sure it's where it's supposed to be, otherwise if it doesn't seal correctly, your engine can get contamination. Okay, check this thing out. You need to check the bottom, the sides, make sure that everything is sealed as it should. It's amazing. Now on the bottom we gotta get in the canal, and all we have to do, close it now. Next guys, we need to install, okay, our support. Let me see, it could go actually both ways. From what I see, the long part is towards the back, so that's what we do here now. We're going to install this one as well, and don't get them all the way tight, just start them. Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of the top one. to do that one too. So guys, that's how you replace the engine air filter. If you have, especially that N20 engine, we'll have timing chain replacements, how to know if you need timing chain, all these videos. We'll have hundreds of videos on that BMW on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars. Thank you for watching. See you next time.